Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Kouchibouguac, a beautiful place on New Brunswick's east coast. The name comes from the Mi'kmaq word Kouchibouguac, meaning long tideway river, which describes the long tidal estuary here. This area has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. They lived here, fished, and gathered food from the land and sea. Today, you can still find signs of their presence, like old campsites and tools. In 1969, Kouchibouguac National Park was created to protect the natural beauty of this region. The park has forests, rivers, beaches, and salt marshes. It is home to many animals, including the endangered piping plover and a large colony of terns. As you drive through Kouchibouguac, you'll see its natural beauty and remember its history. This land is special, not just for its landscapes, but also for the stories of the people who have called it home.
Thanks for watching!